welcome back. Today we are going to check out another Amazon scale from Normcore. Very similar to the Acaia scale packaging. Okay, very similar type, but yeah, it looks pretty good. You know, let's open this thing up. Comes with the instruction paper. So this is a USB-C cable. Yeah, another protection cover here. I mean, this is a very slim design, and also I love the cover as well. This is a rubber cover too, so you can actually wear protected. I like the size of that. This rubber piece goes on the top, and then let's start. Okay, so you can actually change the gram, ounce, and milliliter. Okay. Here's timer. Press once to stop. Stop. Start again. Stop. Double tap. Okay. Yeah, I have there's a calibrate weight from Acaia. So this is 100 gram here. Pretty good. Calibrate to 100. Very responsive. Pretty fast as well. This is a 100 gram. Yeah, I mean, it works pretty good. Okay, I have to say, very accurate. You know what? Let's compare some size difference. Okay, so this is Acaia scale. As you can see, it's slightly bigger than Acaia. And then let's compare that to, so this is another Amazon scale. I really enjoy using it for pour over. Okay, much bigger. Well, let's check out the speed here. That's 100. It's pretty. Acaia scale is obviously very responsive. Okay, let's check out the Normcore. Pretty fast. I mean, I really like how fast. I mean, as fast as Acaia scale. Works really good. Pretty fast. Okay, let's take a look at another scale from Amazon. This one has slight delay, but it's not too bad. Okay, slight. Okay, but the reason why I like this, I mean, both. So this LCD screen there are water resistant. So I mean. But this one is not. If you spill some kind of liquid on it, you're gonna get a stain on it. So anyway, so far so good. I mean, I like the size of it. Very slim as well, slim design compared to Acaia. Not too bad. Okay. If you compare it to another Amazon scale, yeah, you know what? Let's put underneath my espresso machine. I mean, with a scale like Amazon scale, you cannot go this way vertically. You have to go sideways because they are too big, like so. Okay. But with a Normcore scale, put right underneath. That's perfect for that. Your cup, yeah. I mean, yeah, it works. Okay, it works. And then let's compare that to Acaia scale. To next to it. This is not a Acaia scale, okay, but so this is about $240. So this one does is an auto tear. Whenever it senses the liquid hit the scale, you start the auto timer as well. Very intuitive, fantastic, okay. But this is $240. So this Normcore scale, I mean, just very, very simple scale, pretty much on and off, start, stop, what else? Pretty much you are going to accurately, measure the weight as well. Very simple scale. Again, I like the size of it. So, by the way, I'm going to big shout out to Normcore to send us to, take a look at it. But overall, it's not bad, okay? Just, by the way, if you have this scale, please let me know in the comment section as well. But so far, I like the size. Okay, let's put it that way, and how simple this scale is. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comment, please let me know. And if not, I'm gonna see you guys next time.